Functional fitness for all, from roots to fruits dental. Hi, I'm Dr. Jen, your favorite physical therapist with a passion for wellness and prevention. And spring is here, which means it's time to start gardening. So if you know you need to eat more vegetables and you've thought about gardening, this next episode of the Genergy Wellness Show is for you. Do you want to eat more veggies and spend more time outdoors? Have you considered gardening? It's not so hard, you see. Come on, let's go explore. You can grow some chives, oregano, rosemary, basil, thyme. Wait a minute, Bucky. Those aren't veggies. Those are herbs. Because we're in the herb garden. But herbs are a wonderful addition to any garden because they're easy to grow and they're perennials, which means they'll come back every year without you having to replant them. They're also a wonderful addition to any dish that you cook because they're loaded with vitamins and minerals. They smell great, they taste great, and some herbs like rosemary and thyme and oregano can even aid in digestion just by smelling them while you're cooking without even having to eat them. So herbs are really a great addition to any garden. We've got some thyme right here. We've got some chives. This is rosemary, has not come back this year yet, but she will. Over here, we've got some oregano, and then basil again hasn't come back yet, but they're super easy to grow. You can grow them in these little planters that you can get from the store, and it's a fun science experiment, if nothing else, just to watch them grow. And now a little more about herbs. Herbs add a ton of flavor to any meal, which allow you to cut back on the amount of fats, salts, and sauces that you add to your dish. In addition to this, herbs have a ton of health benefits because of the phytochemicals that herbs have naturally. These phytochemicals are well known for their immune boosting, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties, which is great because we know inflammation is the root cause of so many different diseases. So anything that decreases your inflammation is great for your overall health. Parsley, for example, has vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and it has more flavonoids than any other food. Flavonoids are great for your heart, and they have cancer-fighting properties, which help lower your risk of getting certain types of cancers. Rosemary is another one that if you cook with your red meats can reduce the risk of that red meat giving you cancer as well. Oregano is one of my personal favorites. You can add it to salads, you can roast it with your vegetables, and it's loaded with tons of flavor and can also reduce your risk for cancer. So as you can see, there are a ton of reasons to add herbs to your diet, whether it's fresh herbs, which have the most vitamins and nutrients, or dried herbs, which are still loaded with nutrients to help your overall wellness. Drop me a comment below and let me know your favorite herb that you've grown yourself or that you've added to your foods. Let me know which herbs you're excited to try that I've mentioned in this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified every time I put out a new video. Stay tuned next week when we actually dig in the dirt to plant our broccoli for this year. Stay happy, healthy, and strong. Oh my goodness, look, I've grown an Olaf. Let's ride. Ah, it's in my eye. This is why I don't do bangs. Oh, how do people deal with these? Can't see. Ah, perfect. Does it look like the wolf's gonna eat my head? What do you think, Bucky? What do you think, Mr. Kitty? Should people eat herbs? Cats are also good for you.